Welcome to this tutorial on how to send Bitcoin on Safello. Safello is a secure and reliable platform for buying and selling Bitcoin. To get started, you need to have a Safello account and a Bitcoin wallet. First, log in to your Safello account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, click on the Send Bitcoin tab. You will be asked to enter the recipient Bitcoin address. This is the address where you want to send the Bitcoin. Make sure to double-check the address as Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can choose to enter the amount in Bitcoin or in your local currency. If you choose to enter the amount in your local currency, Safello will automatically convert it to Bitcoin. After entering the amount, click on the Send Bitcoin button. You will be asked to confirm the transaction. Review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Once you confirm the transaction, Safello will process it and the Bitcoin will be sent to the recipient address. The transaction will be recorded on the blockchain and will be visible to everyone. It is essential to keep your Bitcoin wallet and Safello account secure. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to protect your account. Also, make sure to only send Bitcoin to trusted recipients and to verify the recipient address carefully. By following these steps, you can securely send Bitcoin on Safello. Remember to always be cautious when dealing with Bitcoin and to follow best practices to protect your account and your Bitcoin.